Cuisenaire rod. The rods will enable you to consider fractions in terms of length. Okay?
How many of these green pieces would it take?
The white one, look, equals 1, 2, 3, 4. So there will be what? 1 what? 1 4. Because these equals 1 unit. Okay? So if we put these together with this.
Came up with 16. You came up with 16? You said 9? Look at it again. One more time. See, Avian, what you see? Okay, it takes 10 of the white pieces to make a whole. Okay, Manaya, what you have? Some of the blocks match the squares. Okay, on the other sheet. Okay. Michaela, what you see? She can take 2 light greens to make a dark green. Okay, good. And Xander will be the last one, then we're going to move on, okay? Go ahead. Okay, he said take 5 of the small red ones to make a whole. Okay, good. All right, we're now going to turn to our measuring map, which is BLM 21. Okay, we're going to take the brown rods and place it along the line from start here. We're going to take our brown rods and use them. You should have brown. You should have brown. We're on BLM 21. You're going to take the brown rods and lay them across the line. Okay, Sojourner found something out when they laid the brown rods out. What did you find out?
The last one is more than
Okay, she said that the last brown rod goes beyond the line that's on the paper. That is true. Okay. Now, if the brown rods are placed on the entire route, the police station is 1/3 of the way from my house. Okay, find your house. Find the police station. That is 1/3 of the way from my house. The burger barn will be how far away from the house? It'll be 2/3. Okay, you're going to need those numbers on your paper. So the police station is 1/3. The burger barn is 2/3 of the way from my house. Okay? You need to write these fractions next to your place, to your names on the paper. You are now, with your groups, you are now going to figure out what will be the fraction for the distance from my house to the bank, to the playground, to the factory, to the gas station, and to the school. You have to work together and use the communication standards set by NCTM.
All right, so now we have to figure out our house to the factory. Okay, let's look at what we already have out. Okay, here's our house, here's the factory. Okay, let's look at the purple ones. Are we there yet? No. Are we there?
Okay? You're going to take the rods. You're going to compare the rods to each other. It's not in your packets. You're going to compare the rods to each other. You have to look at the different colors. You need to find a rod that is half of another color. You need to find a rod that is a third of a different color. You can find one that is a fourth of another color. Okay? Take about 5 minutes to do that. Slow down. Okay, before we took a break, I asked you all to find what color is half of another color, what color is a third of another color, and what color is a fourth of another color. All right, we're going to start off with Kyler. Okay, which one did you do?
The fourth.
You did this one. Tell us what you found about the yellow and the orange. Speak up.
It is half. The yellow is half of the orange.
Okay, good job. Thank you for coming up. All right, Mariah, which one did you do? Here. Shakira, which one did you do? Okay, who did this one? Miss Walker, tell me what did you find out about the light green and the brown? The light green. Say it again. The light green is. Good job. Thank you. All right. Chance. What did you find here with the brown and the red? What did you find? Okay. He said that the red is 1/4 of the brown. Good job. And Xander, what did you find out about the red and the dark green?
I found out that the red was a third of the blue.
Okay, the red is 1/3 of the blue. Dark green. Okay, good job. All right. I would like everyone to take out a light green and a brown. Take out a light green and a brown. I need you all to take 1 minute to figure out what relationship does the light green have to the brown? What fraction relationship will the light green have into the brown? Yes, that's the brown. You have a light green and a brown. Find out what fractional part is the light green to the brown. If you you're looking for fractional part that will fit both of them. You want parts that will fit both of them. So, Xander is putting the white cubes underneath the brown. Okay? He's going to explain how he came up with 3/8. Go ahead.
I came up with 3/8 because 3 of the smaller cubes is equal to 3 with the green. With 1 of the green. And the brown piece is 8. So it would be 3/8 because I measured them with the little small cubes. That the green one is a third and the brown one is an eighth.
Okay, good job.